Well guys, since my last update, Dorney Park has now announced the all-new steel yard area coming next summer, which includes Iron Menace, a new restaurant and bar, a new gift shop, and a retheme of Cedar Creek Flyers. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. So as far as construction progress for Iron Menace goes this week, they've started to put some of the supports for the tilted loop as well as the corkscrew. You'll see when we go down there. And a lot of work has been done these last couple weeks on the station. It's really starting to come together really nicely. Yeah. Hopefully in the next upcoming weeks we see the tilted loop completed, but very exciting. We're in the home stretch here. Also, if you're liking these videos, please make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. As anytime there's something going down here for Iron Menace, I will be sure to let you guys know. And definitely they've got a lot of stuff coming. Big stuff planned for next season. This is going to be a big year for Dorney Park, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for every time I post a new video. Yeah, should be a fun time. So it's kind of also hard to tell right there, but Cedar Creek Flyers are now going under a repaint. You can kind of see the yellow kind of being turned into a little bit more of a grayish color. To fit in with the whole steel yard themed area. But very exciting. Yeah, new restaurant and bar serving, I think, pierogies and barbecue, as well as a new bar serving craft beverages. Like, that's really nice. Dorney Park makes their own craft beers, so I think about Haunted Hops that they serve for Haunt, but very nice. As well as a brand new gift shop. I'm assuming they're going to retheme Possessions. That's currently the Possessed gift shop, but kind of tying the area all together now. The new retheme of Cedar Creek Flyers is going to be really cool. The MT buckets, they're calling it, for McTavish, but yeah, very nice. Cedar Creek Flyers was not really a popular attraction just because there wasn't a major coaster here after Stinger left. So it's nice to see that ride kind of get a touch up and a kind of like a refresh. Lots of progress on the station, and it looks like they got more pieces staged in place for the tilted loop. We can actually see some supports for the tilted loop, and then as we turn to go down here, some for the final corkscrew as well. So, and as well as the final turn back into the brake run. So very exciting. They're getting the supports ready. So hopefully over the next upcoming weeks, we'll see track work completed. So those are probably the final pieces for the corkscrew and final turnaround, and maybe some for the tilted loop. Also, you can look a little bit farther. The buckets for Cedar Creek Flyers are now gone. And you can also see Cedar Creek Flyers is actually being repainted from the yellow to kind of more like a gray color. And that's because Cedar Creek Flyers is being turned into empty buckets for the new steel theme area. Very cool. Currently they have some more pieces staged down there for the final corkscrew and the tilted loop and the final turnaround in the station. So yeah, it should be a really quick next coming weeks. It's kind of been a little slow over the last couple of weeks, but that's fine. And well, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Iron Menace construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Lots of big plans in store next year for Dorney Park. The new steel yard area, the empty buckets, the new restaurant, the new bar, and of course, Iron Menace. Yeah, it's kind of going to bring a big refresh to this area of Dorney Park. This was like one of the big eyesores of the park. I've been coming here for years, and ever since Stinger left, this area has kind of been desolate. Like, nobody would ride Cedar Creek Flyers if you've seen my previous videos from Dorney Park. But yeah, it should bring a huge new refresh to this area. I would like to see in the future them do something with the Dinosaurs Alive plot land. Maybe put like that Gravity Group wooden shuttle coaster. I don't know. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and click that subscribe button for every time I post a new construction update for Iron Menace. You will be the first one to know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.